Children, it is a bridge course activity, page 8 for day 6. It is a bridge course activity, page 8 for day 6. So it is linear equations and their solution. So children, you observe one example, 2x minus 3 equals x plus 6. Solving the linear equation. You know what is linear equation? Linear equation means on both the side of the equal sign. Here there will be equal sign, and both the side of the equation there will be linear polynomial. What do you mean by linear polynomial? The highest power of the variable is 1. In the polynomial, if the highest power of the variable is 1, then you can say that is linear polynomial. And if there is equal symbol between the LHS and RHS, here it is the LHS, it is the RHS, and in between them there is a equal symbol, then you can say that it is equation. And as there is linear polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 1. Here you observe 2x means 2x power 1, x means x power 1. The highest power of the variable is 1. So you can say that it is a linear equation in one variable. And how will you solve this linear equation? Solving the linear equation means finding the value of the variable in the linear equation. To find the value of the variable in the given linear equation, what you have to do? You take one example, 2x minus 3 equals x plus 6. Here solving the linear equation means we have to find the value of x. So bring the variable towards LHS and constant towards RHS. Then it becomes 2x minus x is x. Then you write minus 3 here. That equals 6. Equals 6. Then you transfer this minus 3 to the RHS. It becomes x remains in the LHS. This x remains in the LHS. And this minus 3 should be transferred to RHS. Then it becomes x equals this 6. And this minus 3 becomes plus 3. So you will get x equals 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. X equals 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. Now you take the second example. Here what is the linear equation? 3x equals 2x plus 8. 3x equals 2x plus 8. Then how will you solve this equation? Here in the RHS also there is variable 2x. So you transfer that to the LHS. Then it becomes, LHS becomes 3x minus 2x. When this 2x is transferred to LHS, it becomes 3x minus 2x. That equals, what will remain in the RHS? 18. Then 3x minus x. 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x. So you write 3x minus 2x is x. You write here. And then x equals 8 you will get. This is the solution. Then you take the next question. 2x minus 1 equals 14 minus x. Here you transfer this minus x to the LHS and minus 1 to the RHS. When this minus x is transferred to LHS, it becomes plus x. So it becomes plus x. Then this minus 1 is transferred to RHS, it becomes plus 1. So by transferring minus x to the LHS and minus 1 to the RHS, you will get 2x plus x equals 2x plus x equals 14 plus 1. Then 2x plus x is 3x. 3x equals 15. Then x equals it is 15 by 3. Here you must transfer 3 to the RHS. It becomes 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are, so you got x equals 5. Therefore, what is the value of x? X equals 5. The solution of the linear equation. Then you take the next equation. 8x minus 6 by 3x equals 2. Here you take 8x in the 8x minus 3 in the numerator and 3x is in the denominator, that equals 2. 2 is in the RHS. In that case, what you have to do? Here you transfer this 3x to the RHS. So what will remain in the LHS? Only 8x minus 6 will remain in the LHS. You write 8x minus. Then it becomes 2 into this 3x becomes 2 into 3x. Then now you got 8x minus 6 equals 2 3s are 6x. 2 3s are 6x you got. Then transfer this 6x to the LHS minus 6x minus 6 to the RHS. So it becomes 8x minus 6x, and transferring this minus 6 to the RHS, it becomes 6. So you got here, it becomes 8x minus 6 equals 6x becomes 8x minus 6x equals 6. Here this part is transferred to this side and minus 6 is transferred to RHS. Then what? Then you take 8x minus 6x. 8x minus 6x. What you are going to get? 8x minus 6x. 8x minus 6x is 2x. 2x equals 6. Then here again we have to find the value of Ex. So you must transfer 2 to the RHS. Then it becomes x equals 6 by 2. X equals 6 by 2, which is equals to x equals 3. Because 2 1s are 2 3s are, you got x equals 3. In this way, by transferring the variable to the LHS and constant to the RHS, you can solve the linear equation. You can get the value of the variable in the given linear equation. And you must note that when you transfer any variable or any constant from one side to other side, the sign changes. And also the numerator comes to the denominator and denominator comes to the numerator. So you take some example, do the activity, solve the following linear equations. Solve the following linear equation. First one, 4z plus 2 equals 6 plus 2z. In the first step, what you have to do? Transfer 2z to the LHS and this 2 to the RHS. You know that it becomes, in the first step, it becomes 4z minus 2z equals 6 minus 2. Then 4z minus 2z, you know 2z equals 6 minus 2 is 4. 2z equals 4. Z equals 4 by 2. You will get 2 1s are 2 2s are x. Z equals 2 you will get. Here also, in the first step you do transfer 3t to the LHS and minus 3 to the RHS. Then it becomes 5t minus 3t equals 5 plus 3. So you will get 8t equals 8 and t equals 8 by 8, which is equals to 1. Here what you have to do? Here you must do the cross multiplication. Means you must transfer this x minus 3 to the RHS. Then it becomes 2x equals minus 1 into x minus 3. So 2x equals minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Now you transfer this. That becomes 2x plus x, which is equals to 3. You will get 3x equals 3. So x equals, you will get 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. Children, you must practice it. Then 4 equals 16 by y minus 1. Here what you have to do? Here you, in the first step, 4 into y minus 1 it becomes. 4 into y minus 1. Like this way you must do. 4 into y minus 1 equals 16. Then you multiply this and you write 4 into y is 4y minus 4 into 1 is 4, that equals 16. Then you transfer 4y equals 16 minus 4 is to be transferred to the RHS, that becomes plus 4. You will get 4y equals 20 and y equals 20 by 4, which is equals to 5. Here the hint is given. You must do it yourself only because it is the activity for you. Just I have given the hint. So following that hint, you must solve the value of x. That is the solution of the linear equation. Now next you take some more example. 5z plus 5 equals 17 plus z. Here also transfer z to the LHS and 5 to the RHS. It becomes 5z minus z equals 12 minus 5. Then 5z minus z is 4z. 17 minus 5 is 12. Then again you transfer this to the RHS. Then it becomes z equals 12 by 4. Z equals 12 by 4. Then you can cancel this 12 by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. So you got z equals 3. Next you take 3t minus 2 equals 3t minus 2 equals 70 plus 2. Here also transfer 70 to the LHS and minus 2 to the RHS. It becomes 3t minus 70 is 4 minus 40. Minus 2 40 is equals to 2 plus 2 4 it becomes. Minus 40 equals 4. So t equals 4 by minus 4, which is equals to minus 1. Here answer is given. Then here also do the cross multiplication. 3x equals minus 1 into x minus 4. Multiply it. Minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into 4, you will get plus 4, and transfer that minus x to the RHS, that becomes 4x. 4x equals 4, which is equals to x equals 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. Here also do the cross multiplication. You must write 6 into y minus 1 equals 36. And 6 into y is 6y minus 6 equals 36. Then you transfer minus 6 to the RHS, that becomes plus 6. So you will get, what you will get, 6y equals 42, that is equals to y equals 42 by 6, which is equals to 7. 42 by 6 is 6 7s are 42. So here the hints are given. Children, complete this activity. You must do it yourself.